In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Market Facilitation Index, or MFIndex, indicator in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy step-by-step guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the indicator, add it to your chart, adjust its settings, and get set up with a TradingView Pro account if you do not already have one. First, make sure you are logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar where you can change timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply all the tools you need. Inside this window, you will see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field so you can type. This search box is the fastest way to find exactly what you are looking for without scrolling through long lists of built-in tools. Now, in the search bar, start typing Market Facilitation Index and then add MFIndex. As you type, TradingView will filter the results for you. You should see the Market Facilitation Index MFIndex appear among the built-in indicators. Make sure you are selecting the official version, not a custom community script, unless you specifically want a custom variant. Once you see the correct indicator in the list, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. With the indicator now on your chart, look for its name along the left side or top of the indicator panel. Next to the name, you will see a small gear icon for settings. Click on this settings icon. This opens the settings window where you can adjust how the Market Facilitation Index is displayed. Here, you can fine-tune visual options like colors, line thickness, and general style to match the rest of your chart layout. Take a moment to set it up in a way that is easy for you to read, because clear visuals make analysis much smoother. If you want to unlock more chart layouts, extra indicators per chart, and an overall smoother experience, use the link in my description to sign up for TradingView Pro. Once you are upgraded and logged in, you can repeat the same steps to add the Market Facilitation Index and any other indicators you need. That is all you need to quickly and easily add the MFIndex indicator in TradingView Pro.